Welcome to Is Margex Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Margex Wallet and detailed information are included in the description below. Margex Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet integrated into the Margex trading platform, designed for users actively trading or holding crypto assets. It is tailored for traders and investors seeking a secure, efficient, and user-friendly environment for managing their funds alongside trading activities. Margex Wallet supports major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and popular altcoins, offering flexibility for a wide range of users. It is directly connected to the Margex exchange, enabling seamless deposits, withdrawals, and transfers for trading purposes. With a clear and intuitive interface, the wallet is easy to navigate, making it suitable for beginners and experienced traders alike. Security is a key priority for Margex Wallet. The platform employs a unique MP Shield system, which integrates multi-layer security measures to protect funds from unauthorized access. All assets are stored in cold wallets, ensuring they remain offline and safe from cyber threats. Additionally, Margex utilizes bank-grade encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and anti-fraud technologies to enhance account security. Regular audits and compliance with industry standards further bolster user confidence. One standout feature of Margex Wallet is its simplicity and focus on trading. Since it is integrated into the Margex trading ecosystem, users can efficiently manage their funds while accessing advanced trading tools like leverage, analytics, and market insights. The wallet eliminates the need for constant fund transfers between external wallets and exchanges, streamlining the trading process. Margex Wallet also prioritizes transparency with no hidden fees or unexpected charges. Users can easily monitor their transactions and balances within the platform. The wallet's seamless functionality, coupled with Margex's robust trading environment, makes it an excellent choice for traders aiming to keep their funds secure and accessible. In conclusion, Margex Wallet combines top-notch security with a streamlined trading experience, making it a reliable option for anyone engaged in cryptocurrency trading. If you're looking for a wallet that integrates smoothly with an exchange and offers strong protection, Margex Wallet is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more information and start your Margex journey today.